There's another friggin' bridge.
Oh, wow.
So this was an old train track. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, the fun's not over yet, people. Oh wow. That truck's still behind us. He's like, you wusses. I think you can speed it up a little bit, Tammy.
Okay.
Yeah. So this river, what is that? Ooh. Oh, this is scary.
We sound like a train
And
on
you know
the rails.
what? That truck behind us is adding weight.
Oh gosh!
Speed it up,
I
Sandy.
didn't think about that.
Speed it up.
It's a 2-ton truck.
Yeah. Big old
Oh,
Ford.
look, here they have metal.
Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. Oh. We gotta find another way. Come on. Holy crud.
Then there's a third one.
There's a third one? No,
Yeah.
how do you know?
Because we did the motorcycle trip
Oh,
here.
that's right. Oh my gosh.
Being on a motorcycle when these were
This is
moving was
scary.
horrible.
I wonder which one is the haunted part.
That one back there is
Okay.
the Purple Head.
Okay, Purple Head Bridge. Really, the Cannonball Bridge.
Yeah.
OMG. This river's not quite as deep. I think we could survive this fall. Okay, we're done. Okay,
There's one more.
signing. Oh my gosh, I see it.
Yeah. See?
Sorry.
It's on the motors.
Nobody
the
looks
Mad
happy.
Maps.
Oh, it
And then
is.
there'll be this little building in the middle of the street, and it looks like nobody's in there. And it's a
yeah.
lady.
They collect a $1 toll,
Yeah,
right?
I think she lives off that. You know, she just erected this building and collected.
Yeah, somebody bought the
$1.
bridge. Somebody bought the bridge
Oh, really?
and opened it up to the public. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that must be. She collects $1.
So where's the other bridge? All right, signing off till we find the next fun bridge. Welcome to historical St. Francisville. Oh, there it
Here's
is, the toll
building.
booth.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So we need to get $1.
I got $1.
I got $1 too.
Oh, I got $1 in my phone. Okay, signing off, people. Bye.